Moving on, have had any internship during your chemical engineering degree?
Yes, I have ever had an internship.
Hmm. That's great. Many students, they tend to have difficulty in finding those internships. So if you could tell us a little bit about how did you find this position? Was there any specific platform or method that you used to reach out to the people and to get hold of this internship?
So I get the internship when I'm scrolling my Instagram. I'm
Okay.
following accounts that give
Mhm.
information on jobs and internships.
Mhm.
Also in LinkedIn. So yeah, and
Okay.
other social media platform, you can find many uh,
Mhm.
internship or jobs. And luckily that day, I found a suitable internship program.
Mhm.
So yeah, for me it is not that hard
Mhm.
because the company itself opened the internship program, not I'm asking them for.
Okay. Well, that's amazing. So that's great that you found the internship position. But what did you do at as an intern at the company?
Yeah. So during my internship, my task is still in the scope of my favorite in
Mhm.
simulation. So the instructor asked me to calculate whether the current facility is enough to handle a larger capacity of raw materials.
Mhm.
If it is not, I'm asked to calculate the additional equipment needed. So kind of
Mhm.
stuff.
Okay, great. Okay,
The
amazing. But that's great that it was in the realm of optimization and simulation. That's something that you are an expert in, and something that you also
yeah.
enjoy working with. Uh, was your internship period helpful in terms of you getting a real life experience and getting a chance to see how all of the things that you've learned can be applied in a real life problem?
Yeah, internship quite helps me to gain some experience, but
Mhm.
in my case, it is not the best way to gain experience because
Mhm.
sometimes companies are not trusting their
Mhm.
interns to
Mhm.
work on important projects.
Mhm.
It is reasonable though because student may obstruct the project by doing it wrong, or
Mhm.
they didn't obey the schedule that makes the project is uh,
Mhm.
obstruct. And in my side, internship is good, but it is not the best way to
Mhm.
learn real life experience. You should directly go to the job.
That's actually very interesting what you said there. I have never really thought of it that way. That many people, of course, and that totally makes sense. The companies cannot entrust their interns with
Yeah.
the basic data and of course the data files, and that's a very interesting observation, Henry. But then, if I was to ask you, when you say that students should go directly for the jobs, what would that mean? Like, could you speak a little on that?
Yeah, because if you are still an intern, just what I say, you are the one who want to have an internship. But when you're looking for the real job,
Mm-hmm.
company also needs you, uh, needs your work, needs your
Mm-hmm.
ability to solve the problems, to have a contribution to the
Mm-hmm.
company. So if you are going directly to the real job, you will have
Mm-hmm.
uh, more complex projects, you will
Mm-hmm.
learn more, and you will experience more.
Well, thank you so very much, Henry. That is a very useful tip, and I'm sure people who are watching are really gonna make use of that.
Thank you for listening. And if you have not done so already, remember to become a free member at Chemical Engineering Life. And do not forget to like, share, and subscribe to our YouTube channel and stay tuned for more upcoming podcasts with chemical engineers. Thank you and have a great day.